Every great thing definitely starts with a dream. It starts as a little idea or as a little project, and it becomes something big. We can't just have a great idea or a big dream and then drop it when we have a hard time getting it done. We have to believe in it like crazy. When someone or something starts telling you no about your dream, stand up and shout, yes! If you want your dream to come true, be committed to it. Be determined to make it a reality. And don't stop going after it until you see it come true.